Hey guys. So um, Today we are going to implement everything that I explained in the latest tutorial, and then I will talk about what can be improved in the current uh, system, right? And After that, if we have like at least for people who uh, will ask questions, I will do a Q&A in our Discord community with using stage so that you can use your voice, right? Uh, Now I just want to ask you, like, can you hear me? Can you write in chat? And how many viewers are there? 4 people watching now. I'm very glad that 4 people are here. Can you please tell me, can you hear me? Someone, please. Uh, Somebody? Loud and clear. Nice. Thanks. Seagull. Okay, so um, I don't think anyone will connect in the near future. So I think we can just start. I'm gonna turn on some music. And can you hear the music? Also, I'm gonna do this and do this. Nice. I hope you can hear the music. I hope it's not too loud. I will decrease it. Okay, so thanks. Okay, so let's start. Oh, and one thing that I should mention, this time I have already implemented everything twice. Now it will be the third time. So I'm actually prepared. Yeah. And That's it. Let's start. So first thing we need to do is to open content drawer, open our chunk, and then go to vertices. Right. As I explained in the tutorial, we gonna use uh, 4 loops, like 3 top level loops and 1 nested loop. Yeah. And we're gonna use those 4 loops both in create vertices and create triangles, and we will start with create vertices. We need to change quite a lot of stuff here, right? And we should start with our calculate z graph. More specifically, I will tell you what we should change. So first, we should go to calculate z, calculate noise value sum, get noise, I think. No, sorry, calculate coordinates. We need calculate coordinates. Oh, I'm sorry, we don't need calculate z. We need calculate coordinates here. So what we want to do is we want to create outer vertices, like to expand our chunk, like to make it 1 square bigger in size, right? And for that we need to actually here we need to add 2 to our size, and here as well. 1 second. And here as well. Okay. Yeah. Actually, yes. We want to make our chunk bigger by value of 2 because imagine we have a size 1, so size 1 is just this small square, and if we like let me just use paint, I think. Paint, and I will switch window to paint, I think. 1 second. I think next time I should prepare something to draw on screen, probably. So window, paint. Okay, so we have paint. Here I will add square, and here I will make a smaller square. Now let me copy it a few times. Transparent selection. What the hell is that? Transparent selection. Control C, Control V. I don't know why it is so in like sides are not equal, at least, or maybe something wrong with my vision. I don't know. Okay, so oh my god, that's not what I wanted. I wanted this, something like that. Yeah. Okay, so our original square is this. This is our target square, and this is like we have size 1. This is what will be visible to the player, and this is all these squares outside are needed just so that we can calculate calculate normals and tangents correctly. And as you can see, if size 1, our big size is 3. If size is 3, our big size would be 5. Therefore, we need to add 2 to our size. Hope it's clear. Let's move on. So the next thing we need to do is to go back to our function, create vertices, and here we need to go to our loops, and actually we need to change them a bit. We need to use not size, but we need to use size plus 2 as well. Yeah, and because we use size plus 2 a lot, I suggest adding 2 like this, and then I suggest to collapsing it to macro. Let's call it bigger, get a big size, get big size. Yeah, and output will be size. I don't know, size. Size. Okay. So it's our size plus 2. Let's go back to our calculate coordinates, and here let's, instead of using this, let's just use this. What the hell? Sorry. Need to connect like this and like this. By the way, if at any point you have any questions, feel free to ask them. Yeah. Okay, so next thing we need to do is we need to go back to our vertices, and here we need to use big size for last index, and here we need to use big size for last index as well. Yeah, so now I also don't think we need to use x and y variables anymore. Like, they are not very convenient actually. So let's get rid of them. Now let's can you change scene? Still only the I'm sorry. sin main square. Yes. Now you should see everything. Thank you. And I'm sorry. Let me make it so that I can see chat as well. Okay, so I will quickly show what I changed. Here I created this macro. Like I selected those two nodes, right clicked and clicked on collapse to macro and named it get big size. Yeah, then I went back to calculate coordinates, and here I used this macro to get size. Then here I used this macro to get last index. Yeah. So now is this similar solution posted by in the Discord raining? Like the one that was posted a few years ago. No, it should not be similar. We don't use booleans here, and as far as I remember, he used booleans. We used a bit different approach. Like the result should be the same, but in 2023, yes, the results should be the same, but the calculations the algorithm is different. Yeah, as far as I remember, his solution used booleans. Yeah. So now we need to let's implement our first loop. So in our first loop, we calculate only first row of vertices, and if we go back to paint, so we calculate these vertices. Can I increase brush size? No. Okay, so we calculate these vertices like let's use blue color. We calculate this and this vertices for in our first row. So let's switch back to Unreal. So what we do is we use our copy this. I think let's move this temporary here. Yeah, and then let's connect it like that. And so we need to I would collapse this all to macro, because we're gonna use it twice actually for the last row as well. Let's collapse it to macro, and let's call it calculate birds and uv0 calculate bird. Yes, I think I made a mistake. Yeah, calculate words and uv0. Now let's go inside, and here what we need to do is we need to calculate UVs and vertices and z, and I think we're gonna calculate that last, and first we're gonna calculate vertices and UVs. So what we're gonna change here, we're gonna add inputs 1, 2, and the first input will be x, second input will be y, and we're gonna use this for x index and this for y index. Yeah, and we should for distance, we should use vertex distance. Yeah. Actually, I would recommend to connect it to input as well, because Unreal has a bug with macros, and if you like delete a variable, you won't be able to get it back here, because like you see, if I search for vertex distance here, vertex distance, oh, it's a global variable, so I can connect it. Okay, I'm sorry, I thought it was local variable. Okay, then what we should do else? For z, we will use our calculate z. Yeah, and therefore I think probably I was wrong. Yeah, we should calculate it like that. We should put it here. Yeah, it will be very messy, but I'm sorry. Okay, so next thing we should do is to calculate coordinates for UV. For distance we use UV scale, and for x and y I think we should use same x and y indices. So let's just use them like that. Yeah. I'm sorry that it is so messy, but I don't think anyone wants me to clean up all this stuff during Steam. Yeah, I think everyone just wants a solution. So that's it. Okay, so now we connect it like this, and not sure if I didn't forget anything here. 1 second. Calculate Z. If you go get noise, here everything is correct, should be correct. Oh yeah, we get now we get some errors here. That's because I told you Unreal has some bugs. Like we removed X and Unreal macros. We removed X and Y. Now we can't see them, so we should provide them as an input. So X index or just X and Y. Go back. Here we provide them as input as well. Yeah, like that. 1 second. And we go back, and here we do something like this, where we promote them to input as well. Yeah, and here we go back, and here we use this them for input, for an input. Yes, and we should calculate UV correctly, I think. Now, yeah, and also yeah, no, I think everything is okay with calculate words and UV zeros. Now we can go back, and so in the first row, because we calculate the first row, and because in Unreal X is up and Y Y is X is vertical and Y is horizontal. If we look from top to bottom, we will use this index as a Y index, right? Oh no, we will use this index as X index or as Y index. No, I think as Y index. Yes, we use it as Y index. I'm sorry. Yes, because y is horizontal in Unreal if we look from top to bottom. Yeah. Next, we should implement a second loop. So our second loop starts after we complete our first loop, and it's basically calculating second all mid rows. Yes, mid rows. Let's switch back to Paint. So now the problem with mid rows is that let's use green color. So like let's use blue color for this. So as you can see, in the last row and in the first row, all vertices are invisible, and so we can add them to our array of all vertices. But in mid rows, only first and last vertices are invisible, and all the mid vertices are visible. That means that we should add first vertex and last vertex to our array of all vertices, and all mid columns, mid vertices, to our array of visible vertices. That means that we finally should create a new array, and that new array, let's call it vertices visible. Vertices visible. It's vector and it's an array of vectors. Let's move it up. And so what we should do is we should in our first loop we should basically do pretty much the same. Calculate words. Yes. Also, I know what I did wrong, but I will show it later. So here we call this function, and we use this for x index, and it should start with 1 because we already calculated our first row, and here we do -1 because we don't want to touch last row. So then what we do is here we add first vertex, right? Yes, here we add first vertex, I think, to our array. Then we should then we should like we add this vertex and this vertex. First vertex of mid row. Yes, then we need to add mid vertices, and for that we use another for loop. Let's copy it and paste, and that for loop starts with starts with 1. Yeah, because it is this for loop is responsible for columns. It starts from the first column, because like these are the columns, like 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, and the first column is first is visible, it's invisible vertex, and all mid columns are visible vertices. So it starts from the first column, which is actually the second column. First index is the second column, and goes until big size -1 again. So something like this. Then we call this function again, but you remember we should add mid rows both to array of vertices and array of visible vertices. So this function is actually wrong currently because it uses only vertices. This macro, I'm sorry, but not vertices visible. So what we should do, what I suggest to do, is to add two outputs to this function for x and for y coordinates. Yeah. Also, I think we don't need to use UV here actually, because I think we need to use UV only for visible. Yeah, only for visible part. So we can just remove this, and we can actually we can't. Okay, I wanted to make this function pure, and I think we can make it pure, or we can't. I don't know. Let's check it. Pure? No, we can't. Okay. So what I did, I don't know. We need to remove this, and we need to leave calculate coordinates, and we need to connect them like that, and we need to remove this and leave it like that. Yeah, and for that we need to do this. Yeah, and for output, let's call it x index, or input x and y index. And let's call it x and y. Yeah, now it should be good. Let's just make it a bit more beautiful. Something like this. And let's remove this and connect them like this, so that's a bit more beautiful. And do this, something like that. I don't know. Should be good. Go back, and here we in create vertices, we 6 people here. Whoa. Hello everyone. So here we now here we should add them to all vertices. So we just use add. Yeah, and let's split them. Oh, I think I know. No, we can't do this. Let's split this, and let's connect them like this. And then let's, and here here we will use x. We will use I think we will use what we will use for x index. Probably we will use index from this index. Yes. Will the stream be available to watch later? Of course. I'm not sure if it was a good idea to tell you that, because you're gonna disconnect now. But I'm kidding. It will be available to watch later. I'm not gonna delete it. Yes, now only three people are watching. It makes me sad. Whoa. Oh. Okay, so what's next? We need to, and for y index we will use this index. Yeah. We will use this index. We will use this index for x because it is responsible for what row we use, and we will use this index for y because it is responsible for what column we use. This is column, this is row. I can like leave a comment if you want. 1 second. A node comment, yes. A row row, column. I hope I spelled it correctly. Yeah. And we see the paint window. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Let me just share the whole screen. And we see the paint window. Screen? Can you see the whole screen now? No, you can't. Oh no, you can. Nice, amazing. What we should do now is thank you. What I just did. From what point? From what point you started seeing paint window? Like I've been showing paint for when we had this function. Oh my god, it's terrible. I'm sorry. So I think I will just repeat what. If you trim the video, please don't hyperspeed the important parts. I can't. I think I can't hyperspeed live stream. Yeah, and I'm not gonna do this after all positive comments that you left. Okay, so what I just did in calculate words and uv0 function. Let's like actually rename it to calculate words chords. As you can see, I removed uv0 and the words array from this function. I only left calculate coordinates and calculate z because we need to here we will use these coordinates to fill vertices visible and to fill uv0 and here we don't do this. Yeah, so and also what I did, I used this index for y because this is column. I left comments for you, and this is row, so I used x index. This is for x index. Now we call add function, and we call another add function, and we call another add function, and here we what we do, we use those values for those add functions like that, x y. Yeah, and x y like this. Actually, I think it would really be better to make it return a vector. It would be way more convenient. Vector chords split. No, not split. No, split. Z, X, Y. Go back and here recombine. Here remove everything. Recombine. Here we connect chords and here we connect them as well. And also what we should do, we should connect them to this, but we should break vector and we should connect only x and y, I think. Yeah. But actually I don't think it's a right solution, because we should use a different distance for our uv0. So I think we should just copy this function. Yeah, and we should here we should use our UV scale, and we will just use x and y for it. Yeah, and we will use what the hell? We will use our x and y indices for it. So we will use this index for x and this index for y. Yeah. Okay. So what we should do next is we should add the last vertex, and last vertex is part of only vertices array. So we basically after this loop is completed, we just after this loop is completed, we just call this, and actually we call this. Yeah, and we move everything a bit right, and here we use x for we use this for x index. Yeah, and we use our big size for last index. Yeah, right. Let me check really quickly. Yep, everything is correct. Okay, what's next? Next we should calculate our last array, and for that we should just copy this, our last row, I mean, and for that we should just copy this and move everything a bit right, just my preference. Yeah, and what we should do here, we should change this to use this for last use this index not for y, but no, we will use this index for y, but for x we will use our big size. Yeah, and we could promote big size to a variable instead of macro, but you will do this by yourself. I'm not gonna change all these blueprints now, because I don't think someone is interested in that. Okay, so what's next? We should actually we finished this function, create vertices. Now, like, one thing I would like to do is maybe you noticed, but this and this are pretty similar, so I would collapse them to macro as well to follow dry principle of programming, right? But yeah, I would collapse this to macro. Let's call it calculate border vertex. Calculate border row vertex. By border row I mean this row and this row. Yeah. Yeah. So and here we should add one input for x index. Yeah, 1 second. Let's put it like this. Yeah, and here in our create vertices, here we leave it as 0. Here we move everything a bit like this, and here we remove everything and just call our calculate border row vertex, but we use our big size as last index. Yeah. Yeah. Next, what should we do is we should check that everything works correctly. So let's make vertices, and the vertices visible, instance editable, or instance editable, and then let's turn on show 3D widget and show 3D widget. Then let's go back to event graph, and let's call respawn generate. Okay, generate function on begin play. Then we need to remove our landscape and just put a vertex here. Yeah, we should put it. Let's put it in the middle of the world, in the center, and let's play. I think. Yeah, we should see nothing, but we should see that everything is not correct at all, and I made some mistake. For some reason, vertices visible contain only one element, but what's the size? And the size is 0, and it's a mistake. Size should be 1, because the minimum size is 1. No one wants 0 vertices. Now everything's still not correct. Why? Let's figure this out. Firstly, our visible vertices are correct, but our invisible vertices are not correct. Our vertex 4 is 0, 0, but it should not be 0, 0, it should be here. So if we go back to our calculate vertices, we should notice mistake, and the mistake is that we don't do anything here. Yeah, and we should use this. We should add this to our vertices. Yeah. So let's fix this mistake very quickly. Yeah. 1 second. This and the last row is last row, and we don't use connected it as well. I don't connect it. This is my mistake, not your mistake. Okay, now let's play it. Now everything is correct. Yeah. You should see something similar when you implement this by yourself. Now let's go back to our chunk. Let's make them instance ineditable again, and let's oh, okay, nice. We don't show 3D widget anymore, right? Yeah. Okay. Now let's go to create triangles, and here we should do pretty much basically the same, but it will be a bit harder because you see how much stuff we have for like one triangle here, and we should do this for basically for 4 loops, and because we're gonna do this for 4 loops, I suggest to collapse this to macro again. Collapse is my favorite word. Okay, so what we should do is to first let's create a macro for calculating triangle indices. Let's call it one second. How is it called in generate? It's called triangle. So let's just call it calculate triangles for square, I think. Yeah. So I think we need to collapse to macro. Let's call it calculate triangles for square. Yeah. And move it like that, and like that, and here we need to simplify this massive blueprint a bit. First, we need to remove all arrays from here. I am removing them because I'm removing them because we don't want to because we will use this both for triangles and for triangles visible arrays. Yeah. Also, I just have an idea. Why not to use function for that instead of macro? Because we can make function pure, but we can also make macro pure. So I think it doesn't matter. Yeah, I think we will make macro pure by removing inputs, and I think we could do the same with this macro. Yeah. Oh no, we couldn't. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So here we use vertex, then vertex plus 1, then size plus vertex plus 1, then vertex plus 1, then size plus vertex plus 2, and size plus vertex plus 1. Everything is the same currently, but that does not mean it will be the same. I will change it a bit later, but yeah, it will be later. Just call inputs. These are indices of we need to create a single square. Oh my god. I hate that in Unreal they are not they are often not straight, and I can't change it. Like I can change it by doing this. Oh, okay. But like this is not obvious. Yeah, and when I move it like a millimeter by a millimeter, it becomes not straight again. Okay. Now let's go back to create triangles, and here that's why it's better to use C++. And then we should add this to add them to our array, and let's do this. But let's yeah, let's just simply do this, and then I will show what I want to do later. Yeah. God, what I just did. So we connect it like this, and then like this, and then like this. Okay, 3 are connected, 3 more left. It's a very interesting gameplay. Let's just copy them like that, I think. Yeah, and paste them like that, and connect them like that. Oh my god. That's how professional coding looks like. Actually, I think usually professional coding actually looks like that. If by professional coding we mean corporate coding. Yeah. What else? Now we add this in the end, and now we should calculate our first row. So we do this again, move this a bit like that, and here we're gonna use not size, but we're gonna use size +1. We use size +1 because it was -1, but we like changed it, so we added two more vertices, two more squares, and like in create vertices we added two, so here we should add two as well. In paint, this triangle was 0, 1, 2, this index is 0, 1, 2, and we don't need to use 3. So if we want to use if we want to use only 0, 1, 2, and our size 1, we should our last index should be 2, and so 2 is 1 plus 1, so it's +1. So let's use +1 here. +1, yeah, like this. And what else? Now let's calculate our first square, and we calculate it like this. Except we don't need to increment. We don't need to increment a vertex variable for now. Yeah. Yeah. Now we should. I hate them. Why is it so curved? God. Okay. So now we should calculate our mid squares. And to calculate our mid squares, we calculate first square, then mid column squares, and then last square in the last column. Yeah. So for that we do pretty much the same, but actually I lied. Here everything is not correct, because here we need to add 1 to everything, because our vertex variable is a local variable. Yeah, and it's not very good that I use a local variable here, because if I search for vertex, you see, I can't get it anymore. So it's not very good to use local variables inside macros, and it's a bug in Unreal that you can use them. So we should remove them, like because if I compile save, I can't get it anymore. So it's not very good to use local variables in macro. It's better to provide it via input. Let's call it vertex index. Yeah, let's call it. Let's use integer type for it, and we should use vertex index, and we should add 1 because if you go back to paint, if you go back to paint, we will be able to we should be able to understand why we add 1 to our vertex index, because imagine we calculate first row, we start from 0, and we use like 0, 1, and our size is 1. So it is like 0, 1, and if we just use size, it will be 0, I mean vertex index, then vertex, and imagine vertex index is 0, so it will be 0, it will be 0 plus 1, 1, and it will be 0 plus size plus vertex index, which is 0, so it is 1 plus 0 plus 1, 2, so it is like 0, 1, and 2, and 2 is this, so we will get triangle that consists of these 3 vertices, and as you can see, it's not a triangle, it's a line, and we don't need that. We want a vertex that consists of 0. We want a triangle that consists of 0, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 4. And to get triangles that consists of 0, 1, and 4, we need to add 2, not 1. I think I calculated something wrong. We should add 1 and not 2. But why? Why? Oh, I was wrong. I'm sorry. We should add not 1. We should add board. We should add we should add 2. Yes, we should add 2. 2 because we add 2 additional vertices to our array when we use when we talk about to our size when we talk about big chunk. So because we need but the problem is that I will spoiler you some stuff, but you probably should already understand that here we're gonna let's just complete these loops very quickly. So here we're gonna use what we're gonna use. We're gonna actually I'm sorry, here we had to increment our vertex. Yeah, it is our, let's call it vertex index. Index I told index, yes, and let's call it current vertex index. Yeah, so it starts with from 0. We increment it, and then we here we increment that index as well, like this. One copy here, paste here. Yeah, and then we do what? We use -1 here. We use size minus. We use size -1 here because we don't want to touch last row again, and we use not size we use not just size, but size -1 because last row we're gonna use. Oh my god, what did I do? Oh yeah, okay. This last row for our triangles because we calculate for our squares, because we calculate squares like that. So when we use this row, we calculate this square. When we use this row, we calculate this square, and so we don't touch last row anyway. But because last row is actually but because second last row is used for last row of squares, second last row of vertices is used for last row of squares, we should use what did they do? Oh, sorry. We should use third last row of vertices to calculate second last row of squares. I hope you understand. And therefore, third last row of vertices is of if we talk about big chunk, is size -1. Yeah. Can you see my hand, by the way? I hope you can see my hand. And so because it is size -1, yeah, it calculates third, it calculates second rest plus row. I hope it is clear. If you have questions, feel free to ask. But currently you don't have any questions, so I will just continue. What should we do now? We need to increment it, but we will touch this part later. Here we don't need to increment it now. First we need to do this, and because we need to add triangles to our array again, and because we're gonna do this multiple times, let's collapse it to micro again. But how I want to collapse this is I want to do something like this. Select all z, and I don't want to select triangles. Yes, I don't want to select triangles. Actually, I don't want to select only one triangle. Yeah, and then I want to collapse to macro, and let's call it add square, square, and yeah, it's add square, and it looks amazing. But I want just to make it a bit better. Yeah, something like that, and like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Let's go inside. One second. I can't. My eyes are bleeding. Now, oh my god. Now, what we should do? We should use this. This for all arrays, like that. Like oh my god. Yeah, something like that. Let's disconnect them. Something like that. Yeah, nice. What else? Now we connect like that, and like that, and like that, and like that, and like that. I think it looks okay. I would make it like this, but I don't think it will. I don't think it will be good for watch time of this live stream, and I want YouTube algorithm to help me. So I will leave it like this. Okay. So what else? Okay. I also want to rename this from items to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and target array is actually a good name. I will leave it like that. Yeah. Now what we should do? We should use this. But for vertex index, I think we should use 0. But I think it would be better if we, for clearance of, to make our code more clear, we should use yeah, no, to make our code more clear, we should use current vertex index, because otherwise it will be, we will get incorrect result. Okay, what's next? Next we should do the same. Yeah, do the same. Just currently you should keep in mind that I told you that actually here we should add 2 to this to each of these values, but I will explain you like in a moment. I promise, in a moment I will explain why I'm not changing this function currently, this macro. I'm sorry. Currently, yes. Okay, what's yeah, we did this. Now we should start the second loop. For second loop, we're gonna use pretty much the same that we used in the previous function. So we're gonna use our this index for y, yes, for y, and we're gonna use this index for x. For x, we're gonna use what index? Are we gonna use for x? Let me check it very quickly. For x, we used 1. Yes, we started from 1. Yes, no, it is not for x. It's yes, this controls column. Again, let me leave a comment. It is column. Yes, and it is row. Yep. Okay. What's next? What's next? We're gonna use. We're gonna use what? We're gonna do this. Make it beautiful. And we're gonna use. Gonna create. Do the same. Yeah. Do the same. But this time we will use we need to also do this for our triangles visible array. So triangles visible are just triangles that that this red part of chunk consists of. Yeah. Integer. Copy, paste, as usual. And here we put triangles. No, we use get. By the way, if you don't know, I just hold shift to get. I mean control to get, and triangles to set. What did I say? I use control to get and alt to set. Yeah. So that's it. But you see the problem here. For triangles visible, we don't need to add 2 to each of these values, because triangles visible uses our vertices in the visible, and our vertices visible have indices 0, 1, 2, 4. So triangles visible should also use 0, 1, 2, 4. So we don't need to add 2 to each of those values. So the logic is these values are still the same. So what should we do here? Is we should the way this is a mistake. I think it should be connected to this, and this should be connected to this, and this should be connected to this. Yeah. So I will make it a bit more beautiful, and I will give you time to think what we can do. Maybe someone will comment what they think while I'm making them a bit more clear. And by the way, I use Q key to make them straight. Seems nobody gonna comment, so I'm just gonna answer myself. I'm gonna add boolean here, and I'm gonna call it border, and I'm gonna multiply it by what the hell? Not to multiply it. I should be able to multiply booleans in Unreal Engine. It is possible. Don't lie me. You can multiply booleans. Plus 1 second, I will add additional value here everywhere. Yeah, now I connect like that, and yeah, so I multiplied by 2, and I did that. It looks terrible. I did that because if you multiply, um, multiply 0 by 2, we will get 0. If you multiply 1 by 2, because a boolean is either 0 or 1, if you multiply 1 by 2, we will get basically 2. Yeah, so this means we get either 0 or 2, depending on this boolean. That's why I used it. So I connect like this. Excuse me for this mess, but I'm not going to fix it currently. Let's go back. I hope you all understand what is happening here. Let's go back. Here we tick it, and here we tick it, but here we don't tick it because it is visible. For visible, we don't tick it. So basically, we calculated our visible vertices. Now we should do the same again for our invisible vertices, triangles. I'm sorry. Yeah, we did the same for our invisible triangles, and then we do. And also, I forgot to increase our vertex count. I think, yeah. Oh my god. 1 second, let me check. Should I increase it? I think I should increase it a few times. Yep, I should increase it a few times. I should increase it here. Like this. I should increase it here, and I should increase it here, I think. And should I increase it after that? Probably. Probably. No, I don't. I should not increase it here. I should increase it here. Yep. And actually, I also should do what? Should create a new local variable. I will call it current vertex current vertex visible index. Yeah, and it's not an array, it's just a single integer. Yeah, and I will use it here instead of current vertex index. Yeah, because I showed you in the paint that we use only 0, 1, 2, and 4 in this example. If our chunk is bigger, all of this, if size will be 2, all of this squares would be red, like that. All of them would be red, but we would have additional squares around them. Yeah, I'm just too lazy to draw all of that. Yeah, and here we increase 2 vertices, I think. Yes, we increase 2 indices. What the hell? We increase 2 indices like that, and here we do this as well. Yep. Now we should calculate this again, and And here I'm gonna collapse everything to macro again. Let's call it calculate border row squares. Execute. I think I don't remember. Then yeah. I wanted to hide the name of the output. Yeah, output execution wire. What else? Index. Yeah, and here we should connect. What should we connect? We should connect sync our current vertex index. Yeah, like that. Like that. Yeah. Now what we should do? We should go back to create triangles. I told create triangles. Yeah. I said create triangles. Now we should. Here we should use 0. Or should we use current vertex index? I think we should use 0 here, and no, actually we don't need to. No, we should provide variable here. I think yeah, we should provide variable here, which is current vertex index. Yeah, and we should also use it here. We could actually we could not. We didn't have to delete it, but I told you that using local variables in macro is not a very good practice, so I just removed it and provided it as an input. Now let's go back to create triangles, and here we do the same. Yes, we do exactly the same. Where is the end? Yes, end is here. And here we should do what? I think we should just leave it like that, probably. Yeah, we should not increase our vertex, I think. And that's it. Now we should now we should test everything, right? Just our lighting won't be correct currently, but let's just test that our triangle's working. We should go to our event graph back. Actually, we should leave everything like that. And oh my god, it's terrible. Let's fix it. Something wrong? Probably something wrong with incrementing our chunk, our vertex index. Let's just actually make triangles instance editable and check their values. So triangles visible has 0 elements. That's definitely not what we want. Let's go back and let's check what's wrong. Calculate triangles. Where is it? Yeah, it's here. And what's wrong? Why is it 0? Why is it 0? It's probably because what? Everything seems correct here, and here as well. We start from index 0. We should start from index 0 here, because we because let's go back to paint. We start from actually don't pay attention to this index. It's not used anywhere. Anyway, if our first index is 0, our last index is size -1, which is 0. What? Is it possible? Size -1, which is 0. Sounds not right. Yes, sounds like a mistake. But it's correct actually. Size -1 is if size is 1, size -1 is 0. So with yes, we start from 0 and we and our last index is 0, so we do one iteration. Yes, it's correct. And here we start from 0 and our last index is 0, so we do one iteration here as well. And if you checked our beautiful visualization, we start from when we need to create a visible square. Oh, hello, nice to see you. And you, how you? Oh, thank you. Yeah. Thank you for watching them as well. You can after finishing with this part, I'm gonna do Q&A, so you will be able to ask me questions if you want in Discord using your voice, like in less than an hour, I think. But anyway, I appreciate watching my tutorials and anyone watching my tutorials and leaving your feedback. Like it's very it's very valuable for me. Yes. So when we need to render our visible chunk, would be an honor. Okay, I will check it. Leave a link in Discord or like screenshots in Discord or like something playable in Discord, and I will check. Я тоже. Okay. So when we render when we use visible when we get to our visible square, we actually, when our size is 1, we need only one vertex, because when we get to this vertex, we actually render we actually calculate a whole square, and then we go to the next row. So we use basically only this 3 triangles and this and we use only these 3 vertices and only one vertex for square. Yes. Kidnap time. And that's why it is correct. So what's the mistake? What's the mistake? I don't know. Plus 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 plus. And here we do plus plus again. And yeah, why I forgot the plus. So we use plus here. Yes, and we also, okay, I understand the issue. I think we should use plus here as well. Maybe we should just we add just +2 here. No, actually we don't add plus here. No, we don't. We don't add plus here. But what we do? It's a good question. Okay, let me just debug maybe. Let's just leave breakpoint here. Breakpoint, toggle breakpoint. Yes. And here we play. So our array of triangles has 0 elements. Let's continue the x. What the hell? Let's leave breakpoint here. So it currently has 0 elements. Let's continue the and continue. What? I don't want to finish the execution. I want to. Okay, let's just do this. Yes, and this. Okay. I want to go. I think I did something wrong. Okay. How to get out of? Yeah, that's what I want. Add square. Currently our triangles has 0 elements. Why? If you go, it should have no more than 0. Okay, it now has 24 elements. Then we go. No, everything is correct. Yeah, and here. Yeah. Okay. Then we move here. It has 0. Why? Y 0. Oh, okay, now it has 6 elements and it is correct. 0 1 2 1 3 2. It is correct. Okay. 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 Why it says here that it has, okay, 6 elements is correct. 54 elements is I don't know if it's correct. It's like 3 6 per 6 elements per square. We have 9 squares. 6 times 54 is correct as well, but we have 0 3. It should be 0 1 and 3, not 0 3 4. Okay, I know where is the mistake. The mistake is in the mistake is inside the mistake is inside add square. No, not a square. Calculate triangles for square. We use 0, then 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 plus 2, it is 3. But we need not 3. I think we need, yeah, we don't need to add 2 here, and don't need to add this here, and we don't need to add this here, and we don't need to add this. Yes, we don't need to add this here, and here. We need to add this only in these 3 places. Now everything should be correct. Almost correct. Okay. What's wrong? Let's remove breakpoints. Send. Thank you so much. I want to you to send you the game early access. I can send you the game early access to you. Send me your email so I can. I think my email is specified in my channel. Like like if you go to my channel and expand it, and like somewhere should be, I think somewhere you should see something like business email or something like that. If you can't find it, just DM me and I will send you my email. It's okay. I will just DM me on Discord and I will send it. Okay, so uh let's fix the mistake. Here we add we can remove 0, remove pin. Here we add why did the music end, by the way? I don't know. Bool one boolean multiplied by 2, size plus index plus our boolean plus 2, and size plus index plus our boolean plus 1. Everything seems to be correct. But if we check this, it's not, it doesn't look 0 1 4 1 5 4 so 1 5 1 5 4 okay, so it's like 1 2 5, okay, 1 2 5, then 2 6 5, then um, then 2 6 5. I got lost. Then 2 3 6, 2 3 6, 3 7 6, 3 3 7 6, then 3 7 6, where 3, okay, then 4 5 6, 4 5 6. No, or is it not 3 7 6, or is it, it's like 5 11, then 2 3 6 3 7 6 3 7 6 17, 11, then 17, then 18 to 9 to 20, yes, 18 to 20, 4 5 6, yes, 4 5 6, 4 5 6, it's not correct. 4 5 6. Oh, it's, yes, it's 4, and then 5 7 6, 5 7 5 7 6, right? It's like 0, yeah, it's not correct. 4 5 6, but why? It should be like 4 5 4 5, thank you, 4 5 6, 4 5 4 5 8, I'm sorry, 4 5 6 7 8, yes, yes, it should be like 4 5 8, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 4 5 8, but it's not 8. Why? Let's debug again. So it's like toggle breakpoint. It is currently, it is 0, and we move like that, like that. Currently it is oh, okay, now it is 4 5 6 already. It's not correct. Why it is 4 5 6 already? Let's try again. Currently it is already Uh, Currently everything is correct. 3. What? No, it's not correct. 376. Oh no, it's correct. It's correct. Yes, 376. But then uh, our current vertex index becomes 4. Should it become 4? Oh, let me check very quickly. Yes, it should become 4. But what's wrong? It's like, no, it should be 0, then 1, 0. No, it should be 3, then 4, and then it should become. Then it should become 4. Yes, it should become 4. It will become 4, right? It becomes 4. Yes, it becomes 4, and then we start with 4, and now it's like if you go inside this, it's like vertex index. It was like 1. It was like 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So it is 4, 5, and 1 plus 4, 5 plus 1, 6. Oh, yeah. 1 plus 4, 5, 6, and plus 8. It should become. It had to become 8, but it is not 8, right? But it is 4, 5. Why 6? 4, 5, 6. Why? 1, 2. Okay, maybe something wrong here. We add 5 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Why is it like that? Let's add breakpoint here. I don't know. Is it possible? It's not possible. What? I think I can do. Where is? I think I can do this. Toggle breakpoint. What's wrong? I hope it will work. No, it didn't work. Okay. It's not okay, but whatever. It's 4. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't check border here. I had to check border here. And I should check it here. Now it should be correct. I will remove breakpoint. And now let's test it. Almost correct. I think I did not increment chunk enough times. Or did I? Create triangles. Let's just try incrementing it one more time. Okay, nice. Let's try it. Yeah, let's try it with a bigger array. I hope it won't break anything. Let's try like 3. Of course it. Oh my god. Probably I had to increment it maybe here. I'm just gonna do trial now. What's wrong? 3 triangles. Okay. Probably do it like that, definitely it didn't. It definitely did not generate our last row. Actually, if we make our vertices visible again, let's make both of them visible. Let's make them like show 3D widget and show 3D widget. Yeah, and let's spawn. And if we do it like that, you see that our vertices are correct, but our triangles for some reason don't use our last row of vertices. But why? Probably it's because I didn't. Our loop is not correct. It should use one more. It should use one more. Uh, it should use one more row, and it should use the row that starts with from 24, and it actually uses it. It's like 23. No, it doesn't use it. It's the last is 20. What? Why does it use? It should not use 23. 23, 28. No, okay. Everything is correct. My bad. But it should use, it should go to until 24. What's wrong here? I think if we go to our loop, our last index should be bigger. Probably it should be our last index should be, so our last index should be here at this moment, should be 24. Let's add breakpoint here, and let's just run it a few times. Yeah, a few times. We add square here. Currently it's 11. Now it's 12. Now it's 13. Now it's 13. 13. Is that what we need? By the way, where is the music? One second. Why? Can you hear the music? Because I can't. Okay. We finally, and it is 18. It is 18. It is 18. 18 is not what we need, I think. Got 18. Let's check where 18 is located. 18 is located 23, 17, 18 is this vertex, and it is last vertex. Okay, we need one more pass. That means that we need one more row. That means that we need to use size here, not size -1. I was wrong. Yeah. Now everything is correct. Yeah. Okay. Use size here instead of size -1. Okay, I probably will add timecode here. You asked me to make sure that I got the message. Okay, I will check your message very quickly. 1 second. I'm using my laptop. Discord is loading. Okay, so what we should do, actually we almost finished. Yeah, we almost finished. Now we just need to go to our event graph, remove this, make them private again, then I mean instance ineditable, then go to our generate function here, calculate normals and tangents. Here we use we don't change anything here at all. Oh my god, I made a mistake. Yeah, I made a mistake. Here in our calculate vertices, we in this function calculate let's rename it to calculate verts and uv0 and uv0. I think yeah, I was wrong. We should add uv0 to our we should add uv0 to our array of uv0s. Yeah, we just we use uv0 uv distance, uv scale for it. Yeah, something like this. 1, 2. Okay, nice, amazing. Yeah, amazing stuff. Add it like that and like that. It looks terrible. I hope you don't mind that it looks so terrible. Like I will do it like this temporary. Yeah, but it's temporary. I hope. Yeah. Okay. So and we go back very quickly. Here in create vertices, we remove this. Yeah, we remove this. I said, and then we go to our event generate. We go to generate, and instead of vertices and triangles, here we use vertices visible and triangles visible, and we connect them like that, and then we finally do what? We finally, I think we can just place our landscape here, and we can set distance to like 2, and set material to grass. We don't have grass. What material do we have? Something cool maybe. Landscape, and let's use landscape and scape z multiplier 25,000 maybe, and scale maybe 3,000, size maybe 6. Yeah, noise parameters linear, let's do something like plane and mountains. See the okay, let's try it. Oh okay, that something pretty cool. I think we made some mistake. Like I don't want to delete it completely. I will just add chunk. I will in our event graph I will make it spawn again. What? Where is begin play and spawn? I mean generate. Let's check what we get. Yeah, it's okay. We need to pay attention to this chunk. So I think I did something wrong with vertices specifically. Let's check our vertices. Chunk 0. This chunk, yes. Let's show 3D widgets again. 3D widget, save. Okay. Looks like our chunks are actually correct. Yeah. Something wrong with our vertices visible calculation. What's wrong? Let's make our vertices visible instance editable again. Let's check their values. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. And triangles visible, I mean. So it should be like 0, 1, 2, 3. So it should be like 0, then 4, then 8, 0, 1, 4, 0, 1, 4, then 1, 5, 4. It is correct. And then for some reason it starts with 2, which is correct, but it doesn't seem correct. It's like it goes like 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6 is correct. No, it's not correct. It should be 1, 3, 6. Yeah, it's not correct. And therefore we should go to our triangles. Create triangles, and here we increment it unnecessarily, I think. Yes, I think we incremented here unnecessarily. We don't need to increment it here. Let's check it. Looks correct currently, right? It's correct. Almost correct. Except for some reason. For some reason now it's not correct here. Why? Probably because vertex is visible. Is it? It should use like 11, 10. It should use vertex 10. Let's find vertex 10 very quickly. Vertex 10. It goes like 10, 14, 13. 10, 14, 13. And then okay, it goes like, okay, let's check vertex. So 0, 1, 4 is correct. 1, 5, 4 it is correct. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5 it is correct. Okay, if you go back, it is like 13, 14, 10. It is correct. Right, 13, 14, 10. Okay. 13, 10, 9. 13, 10, 9. What is it? I don't understand. What is this? It's definitely some. Oh no! I know. It is like 0, 1, 4, 1, 5. When we get to vertex 2, when we get to it is like I think yes, 2, 3, 6. It is correct. 2, 3, 6. Yes, it is correct. Then we go to 3, 7, 6. 3, 7, 6. It is correct. 3, 7, 6. Yeah. And then it should go right to 4. It should not go to 3. Okay, so we should increment it. Yeah. So it shouldn't. Actually, it should not make a difference. Yes, it should not make a difference, but let's try it. Now it should. Yes, it's correct again. Why? What the hell? now we have problems here again. Oh, I got it. Yes, we have a problem here. 0 1, it's go 0 1 4 1 5 4. Then it goes to 2. It should go to 1. It's like I should increment it once after it's completed with the first row. It's completed. It's done with the first row. Oh, I should increment it twice maybe. No, I should increment. No. I should increment it 0 1. Yeah, I should increment it after it's done with the first row. It's done with the first row after this. Yeah, after this is completed, it's done with the first row, and then we start with so we start with 0, then we calculate all that. Our last index currently is size is 3, so we go like 3 so like 0 1 2 3. Okay, I think we should use not last index here, not 0 1 3, but last index minus 1, right? 0 1 2 3, yeah, and then we add one more, yeah, last index. Here we should use last index minus 1, and here with 3 equals to 4, and we use 1 2 3 forces used for this row. No, everything was correct. We had to use size minus 1 here. Yes, size minus 1 was correct. What's wrong then? Now if we do this, it will be still incorrect. Now even more incorrect, because we use size minus 1, it is 3, minus 1 2, it is 0 1 2. So our last index is 0 1 2, and so 0 1 4 1 5 4 1 5 4, then 2 3 6 2 3. No, but it should not be 2. Why is it 2? It should not be 2. It's wrong. It should not be 2. It is like, it goes like 0. Let me check my old code. Goes like size minus 1, then border checked, then border unchecked. Oh, my bad. Here we increment this index. Yeah, we increment this index. Here. Then we do it like that. Then we increment both of these indices, and then we increment this index as well. Like, now I just pray that everything will be okay. I'm just praying. and seems everything is not okay. Why? What's wrong? Something here. We increment our current vertex index visible. We increment it as well. Then we increment vertex to border triangles. We increment it. We incremented before. Do we increment it? Yes, we incremented before. We use. Oh my god. Sorry. Oh, what? Yes. My very huge mistake. Here we should use size -1 as well. We like before we used this last index was dynamic. It was like first it was 0, then it was 1, then it was size like it went until size -1, but it should be static. It should be just size -1. Yeah. Now it's correct. It looks correct. Let's just try one more thing. One more thing. Just go back to our create triangles. Now our generate. Here instead of vertices visible, let's just temporarily use back our vertices and triangles. Connect. Compile, save. Okay, that's actually okay. Now we have some more problems. Yeah. What's wrong? We have problems with our array of all vertices, and what's the problem? The problem is that with our triangles calculation, create triangles. Triangles. What's wrong? Something wrong with. So here we add 1. Then we use size. We should use size +1 here. We use size +1 here. Then here we should use size -1. We use size -1. We increment it here and here. We increment it here and here. Basically, yes. We use border here. We use border here. Border. Use border here as well. Then we increment our current vertex index. We use size -1 here now. Then we use borders, and we don't use border. Yes, and then we increment both variables. Then we stop. Here should we should not use border here. We should not use border here. Why? We should not use border here because no, we should use border here. Yes, we should use border here. We should not use border here, and here we should increment both. Here we should so we use border 2 times, 3 times, and we don't use border once. And here we use border as well, and start from 0, go to size +1 until size +1, and increment vertex, and we should finish this. What is the values? The values are vertices, triangles. I need just regular triangles. Regular triangles like this. What? Okay. Okay. Triangles 0, 1, 6. 0, 1, 6. It's okay. It's not okay. Like I think about here 3. No. It's about here 3. 4, 9. 3, 4, 9. Like 0, 6. So 3, 9 is here. 9 is here. Yeah. So it's like 3, 4, 9. It's okay. 22. It's like 10. What? No, it's 21. 4. Okay, 21 is okay. I think 20. I need 20. What? I need 20 what? I need 24. 4, 5, 10. It's okay. I think I need 30. 6. 6 is okay. 5 is not okay. Yes, 5 is not okay. 5, 11, 10. Yes, it's not okay. 5, 11, 10. No, it's okay. It's okay. I'm wrong. 30 is like 6, 7, 12. Okay. What is this? Like it's like 60 maybe. 14. 60 is 14. No, it's too much. 13. 14. 19. 13. 14. No. It's like 11. It's 48. Yes, 48. We need 48. Like 11, 12, 17. 11, 12, 17. Yes, that's the mistake. It should not be like that. Why is it 11, 12, 17? 11, 12, 17. Means something wrong with. We should add additional. We lost an increment somewhere. But where? That's the question. Where did we lost increment? Base it on. You can see we didn't lost it anywhere, but we lost it. It should be. We should have one increment. One increment after first. We have it. Then we should have one increment after first border. We have it. Current vertex index. Current vertex index. Then we should another increment after second loop, right? Yes, we should have another increment after second loop. But we don't have. Before second loop, yes, we have it. So one increment before first loop and one before second loop. Yes, we have both. Then we should have one increment after current vertex index. I think I know where the mistake is. You don't need this increment program. I will just let me just temporarily disconnect. Okay, I can't. Oh, almost correct, right? I hope. Let's check the values. It's like 48, I think we need. 48 is like 9. What? 9? Where is 9? 9 is here, okay. 9. Let's try 54. 10. Then let's try 60. 11. 12. Okay, no, everything is the same. Everything is the same. But we still didn't need that increment, it was unnecessary. Oh, border, no border. Increment, yes. Increment 1, increment 2. Target array. Then current vertex index, current vertex index visible. Yeah. Something wrong. Oh, but where? One more increment here, and one more increment before this loop. Yeah. Let's try it. Looks almost correct, but actually it's not correct at all. Let's just debug this again. Oh my god. Like it's like 4. Okay, it's like it becomes like goes to like let's add break here, breakpoint, and let's play it. So currently it's 7, and it should become like, if our size is 3, it should yes, our size is 3, it should go to until 4, I think. Oh, it's now currently it's 12. Let me just toggle breakpoint. Yeah. Currently we have like 5. Yes, our last index is 5. So at 5 it should not reach 5. It should go from 4 to 6 immediately at this point. Yeah. Let me toggle breakpoint. Yeah. Now let's continue the execution, I think. It's now currently it's 12. Why is it 12? 12 is it was 7. Why was it 7? It is 7. 7 is like 5, 6, 7. Okay. Something we don't expect. Well, let's toggle it here as well. Currently it's 6. 6 is correct. Okay, we continue. And it becomes 7. Why is it 6? 6 is correct, yes. Okay, 6 is correct. Then here it should become, where is what? Let me toggle breakpoint here. What is this? By the way, I think I made some mistake in create vertices. No? No, I didn't. Okay. Uh. Mm, 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 mm. I know what's wrong. Um, I think let me try to debug this. So I think if we move forward, it will be let's just move forward. So it becomes it's 7 currently. Now it became 8. Yeah, yeah. Okay, nice. Now it became like 8. It should not reach so it's like it will be 10, like 0 1 2 3. It's like 5 indices, like yes, it should be 10. Yeah. It should not reach 10, I think, if I'm correct. If I think correctly, because it's 0 1 2 3. Yeah, it should not reach 10. 0 1 2 3. Yes, it should not reach 10. Okay. In ideal scenario, it should not reach 10. Uh, 9. And it reached 10, and we added, so we should increment it probably before. Let's try it. Yeah, let's try it like that. Compile, save. Yo, no. What's wrong? 10. Okay, it could reach 10. It had, no, I was wrong. It had not to reach 11. Okay, it reached 10, then it became 11, and after it becomes 11, it should go to 12. It will go to 12. After this loop is completed, it will not go to 12. And that's the problem. Probably we should implement it like that. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's try it. No, I'm wrong. What's wrong? Like my code is identical to exactly identical to to my previous version of this code. Like, what did I do wrong? Size plus 1. Size plus 1. Size plus 1. Then we check. We start from 0. Then we go border 1, vertex plus plus, vertex plus plus. Triangles, then we increment it again, then we go to size minus 1, then we calculate triangles target array, then we increment, then we do minus 1, then we do -1, then we use border for triangles, don't use a border for triangles, visible, use our vertex for visible, yes, then we increment both, then we add a square, yes, we add squares, and here we don't use border here. Why? I don't know. Let's just try it. Actually becomes almost good. I wanted to say, but it doesn't look good at all. No, it doesn't look good at all. Here, then after that we use after that loop is completed. After our row loop is completed, we add vertex current. We go from 0 to size +1, and then we use border again, and then we just what's wrong? Like it's very weird. I think it's like a rule that every time you do a video or a live stream, everything will go wrong. And even codes that I prepared before the live stream didn't help at all. Like, okay, it helped, but we still have the problem. And I don't know why. I don't know why. Let's try size 2, because it will be easier. Size 2. So it goes like it goes like 0, 1, 4, that's what we need. 18, 3, okay, 24, 5, that's correct. Now we go like 42, I think. 8, which is correct. Then we go like 40, 18, 24, 48. 48 is 9. 9, 10, yes, that's wrong. Why? Okay, let's just do this manually. Do all the calculations manually. It's like 0, then it becomes like what? It becomes like 4. It becomes 4. Okay, it is 0. Then it becomes 4. Then it becomes 5. Then it becomes 4, 5. Then it becomes yes, becomes 5. Then it becomes you do this 2 times, 0 and 1. Yes, 2 times. Then it becomes like oh my god, it becomes like 6, 7, then 8, then it becomes 9, and it should become 10 immediately. Yes, it becomes 9, and then we add vertices, and then it becomes 10. So what we should do is we should probably it becomes 8, we add fuse 8, then after 8 it becomes 9. Maybe we should add +2 here, not +1. Let's try it, I don't know. Becomes 9. Let's just try it. No, it's wrong. Let's debug this maybe. Yeah, it should be like here. It should be like here it should be 8 currently. Yes, it's moment should be 8 first time. It is 8. Then it becomes 9. Yeah, and then we just the mistake is that here we create square, but we should not create square at this point. 42. What is 42? What do you mean by 42? We should it should not be like that. And how to what if we increment it here before? If we increment it here before, it would lead to wrong result. We should increment it once again after we finish this loop. And we can add, so when it reaches 8, we can add 2 to it, so it becomes 10. But the problem with that approach is that it may work, no? Like if we add 1, like if we just basically increment it again, it became 10, and that's what we need. Because now our last square will be 10. 3, 6, yes, 10, yes, it's correct. And then it becomes like 5, then 9, reach 9, then it should not become like 15, it should not become 14. It's 13, it becomes 14, it becomes 13. So what's wrong currently? Something's still wrong, but what exactly? So at 24 it is 5. At 48 it is 10, and at 42 it is 8. So we skipped it successfully, but at like 96, I think, or maybe 60, 72, it is 16. So at 66 it is 13, at 60 it is 12. 12. Why? It is 12. 10, 11, 12. Maybe at 54 it is 11. Okay. At 48 it is 10. Oh, okay. At 72 it is 16. At 72 it is 16. At 66 it is 13. So it goes from 13 to 16 immediately. And that's what we need, exactly. It goes like 13, 14, 13, 14, 16. Why? It should be like 13, 14, 15, not 16. 13, 14, 16. 13, 14, 16. 13, 14, 16. No, it should be 13, 14, 18. So if it's like 13, 14, 2 plus 13, 15 plus 1 plus this border should be okay. I got it. Oh, fix it. No, almost. It's like 14, 15, 16, 20. Something wrong is here. Like 66, 72 is 16, 66 is 13, 72 is 16. It should go from 13 to 15. From 13 to 15. And for that, we need to probably remove this vertex count. Yes. Oh, it looks correct. Yes, now it's correct. Yo, finally. But I don't know why is it like that. Like, oh my god. Our triangles. Oh, okay. I think maybe I know what's the issue. Yeah. Now we should just we should do what? We should compile save. Go to our event graph. Let's delete this or Control X. Compile save. Oh, what is it? Is it correct? Yes. Finally, right? Did we get rid of themes? Let's make our what? No, let's remove chunk 1, chunk 2, and let's decrease frequency, I think, or increase frequency. Yes, increase frequency. Nice, not nice. Just need to check if okay, the themes are not removed because one thing, because when we go to our our generate function. Here we should use vertices visible and triangles visible, of course. Now everything should be correct. Yeah, now we let me just like make it like 1000. Where are our chunks? Huh? Where's, yeah. So as you can see, now we don't have seams between chunks. Now it's completely seamless. Finally, yes. I'm very happy. Yeah. Also, the landscape looks terrible. Let's increase. Let's just play around a bit. I think we deserve it. Let's make it like maybe 4000. Yes, and just run it. I think 4000 is too much. Yeah, let's make it like 25,000, or like at least 12,500. And yeah, and scale 4,000 maybe. Let's try. Size 6. I think it's okay. Maybe we should use size. Maybe I don't know, 10. Let's try 10. Okay. Let's decrease frequency a bit. Maybe 0.05. Yeah, looks better. But I think let's try it like 7,000. Yeah, and let's frequency like 0.025. Oh my god, I spawned a bit more frequency, or maybe a bit like more, like 5 octaves, like linearity, like I don't remember the parameter. Let's try it like 0.7 and like linearity like 1. I don't remember actually what it does. Let's just check it. No, I think linearity 1 was a bad idea. What, it is 0. Let's use 2. Yeah, let's increase frequency for like a 0.4. 0.04. I just want to get our auto material to work, because like it seems currently our slopes are not very. We don't have enough degree for our slopes to work. Let's just change material, maybe modify the material itself. Yes, I would. Let's increase sharp. Maybe let's just create material instance very quickly. Create a material instance, landscape mi. Yeah, and here let's modify sharpness a bit. Let's use it for our landscape mi. Yeah, let's make it like that. Layout, I mean. And let's light mask settings. Where is global scale parameters, bias, scale, sharpness? I don't remember what they do, actually, to be honest. Sharpness, I think maybe that's what we need. No, yes, it's like, sounds like what we need. Scale, not, that's not what we need. Actually, I'm not sure how it works. I don't remember. Like I spawned the terrain, and like a few minutes ago it had those like those, how it's called, these stones, this stone texture. Okay, I don't actually know how to I'm not sure how to get it again. like maybe it's something connected with slopes, or maybe it's because we have a, maybe that's because we have a no, we don't have a height limit, right? We should not have a height limit in this material. Okay, I'm not sure. Like, let's find a final try. Let's try 25,000 again. No, zero slopes, unfortunately. Okay, but we got rid of the seams. That's everything I wanted to show today, basically. Yes, and also I wanted to talk about disadvantages of current system. So the first disadvantage is that we calculate, as you can see, we calculate border vertices, but actually we calculate them twice, because we calculate them twice because we calculate them for those borders for this chunk. Let's go to paint, actually. Paint. Yeah. Where's paint? So we calculate them for this chunk, but we have multiple chunks, right? And so as you can see, our chunks are placed like this. So we actually calculate vertices twice. We calculate these vertices for this chunk and for that chunk as well. So we waste performance. Also, our landscape, where is landscape? Event graph uses event tick. It's terrible. We should not use, we should avoid actually event tick. So the best solution would be to use events instead of event tick. Yeah, and let me actually announce that I fixed that I fixed the bug. Updates. Fixed the bug. I fixed the bug. Now everything is working. Yeah. So what? Oh, I'm just below the terrain. Let me go up a bit. Like this. Yes. So first issue is that we calculate chunks twice, vertices twice, and to eliminate this, we had to use some communication between chunks. Yes, and actually I think I regret that I created this landscape actor in past. It's not very useful. I would say it would be better to just keep everything in one actor. Okay, anyway, another thing that we are not we are doing is we use event ticket. It's not very good. The best solution would be to use events. So like when player moves from one chunk to another chunk, we check if we need to spawn to generate a new chunk, and if we need to generate a new chunk, and we need to generate a new chunk if it's not already generated. We do this, yes. If it was already generated, we just show it. And we gradually transition to the fact that we are not hiding our chunks, and that's bad, because if you move around the world a lot, you will waste a lot. You will have less and less in the FPS. Also, you multi-threading. We don't use multi-threading. We need C++ for that. And it would be better, of course, to use multi-threading, aka asynchronous programming, I think. Yeah. We don't use LOD system. LOD system is basically when you decrease quality of chunks that are far away. We don't spawn everything on top of our landscape, and that's boring. Yes. That's it. So for all who are watching now, do you want Q&A, or is like, do you want Q&A now, or should we just stop the stream? Guys? Does anyone want Q&A? Q&A? Okay, so seems no one wants Q&A, so I think I'm gonna just quick plans, just share plans quickly regarding the series. I'm not sure if I will create new tutorials like very soon. I don't want to disappear for 2 years again. Like I'm sorry for that. Yeah, but at the same time, I don't think uh, we- uh, I will create new tutorials like very soon. And if I continue making tutorials, maybe I will create text tutorials switch to text tutorials temporary, not to like videos. Maybe, not sure about that currently. Yes, I'm not sure that I will like create a new tutorial soon currently. Yes, but I will still be active on Discord, so you can ask questions. And yes, so basically that's it. So just like don't expect new tutorials soon, very soon, but expect them in general. What and that's it. If you thanks like for joining live stream. See you later. Let me stop it. Like, actually, I don't know how to stop. Like, let me just quickly switch to this, and then filters, remove mm, remove filter. To remove filter. No, how to remove it? How to remove? Yes, I want to remove this filter, and I want to switch to my camera. And so, thanks for joining. We'll see you on my other videos. Have a good day.